No, we can't do that. Just this, yeah. Hey, so the point of our experiment was to see if there was a causation between time of day and the level of attentiveness for students in first and fourth period. So the way the experiment worked is that Luke walked into a classroom talking about GDRF, and as soon as he was done with his speech, he walked out and I walked in, and I passed the survey out to the class just to see, how attentive the students were. Some of the questions would be like, what color was his pants? As soon as I gave the survey and collected all the answers, I walked out and he walked in to give survey questions about how I appeared. So basically, the whole point of the surveys was to see how much the students were actually paying attention. They weren't trying to. So that's how we measured the level of attentiveness. And we did this for first and fourth period, honors level, AP level, and regular level for all 2 periods. So while we were doing the experiment, we came across some confounding variables. And because of these, we can't really say if time of day actually has to do something with attentiveness level. We came across someone that was colorblind. A lot of our questions had to do with what we were wearing, like what color our shirt, what color our pants were. Some other confounding variables would be some of the classes we would survey, the same students would be in the other classes we survey, so they would be exposed to the same questions. And one last confounding variable is that some of our questions would be based off the viewer, such as the direction of our hair. So from someone else's point of view, my hair would go left, while me, my hair would go right. So some variables that we had to factor in, and because of that, we can't really say if there's a causation between time of day and the attendance level of students, but we can say there's a correlation.
So, Colin, have you heard about this whole announcement I'm talking about? It's been really cool. Did you see what shirt color I'm wearing? Did you see my pants? That's good to hear.
Who's the main character of both?
Buffy. Yes. What the lovely eating is superpower. Like gum fruit. Yes. What can he do? Gum things. Yes. I love fourth period.
How many tails is going to have?
9.
Excellent.
So, Colin, have you heard about this announcement that I'm giving you about JDRF? Have you heard about it?
No.
Well, it's gonna be great. You should really come. It's gonna be awesome.
Sweet. I know everything because I paid attention during the fourth period. Got it.
So, Colin, what we are going to do a survey on what Kyle was learning.
Okay.
Do you remember?
I do, because this is fourth period. I'm very attentive.
So after we did our significance test, we found Z to be negative 4.801, which gives us a probability of 0.000016. And because the p-value 0.000016 is less than the alpha of 0.01, we can reject the null that first and fourth period attentiveness levels are equal, and find evidence to support the alternative that first and fourth periods attentiveness are different. So we performed a significance test to see if time of day actually had to do something with the level of attentiveness of students. And our null hypothesis was that regardless of time, students would show the same level of attentiveness throughout the day. And our alternative hypothesis was that first and fourth period students would show a different level of attentiveness shown in class. So we decided to block our groups into two major groups: first period and fourth period, beginning of the day and the end of the day. And not only that, we decided to block by class level, you could say. So we blocked by regular, honors, and AP for first period and fourth period. So in total, we experimented with 6 classes.
Everything. I'm glad I paid attention during fourth period.